After laser cleaning, why has my teeth sensitivity increased?
Great question. So the reason, one of the reasons why after the laser cleaning, the sensitivity increases because the light, the energy or the heat that you get from the laser, it kind of opens up it's almost like opening up this after your dermabrasion or after your the facial that you get, you open up the
Yes.
pores the same way the laser opens up the pores on the surfaces of the teeth. So that's the reason why now it is kind of open. Now your teeth are going to get sensitive. It is not a permanent condition. The teeth getting sensitive immediately after the laser. They tend to get better on their own immediately after the laser or after a few days after the laser. But if they happen to stay sensitive, talk to your dentist and very easy fixes. Either they can do some local fluoride application, or we call it as a desensitizing agent application, or as simple as you can start using some desensitizing toothpaste like Sensodyne over the counter, or talk to your dentist and we should be able to prescribe some really strong toothpaste like an anti-sensitizing toothpaste, and they're all going to really help you.